So, welcome back. Today's Ideogram AI. So, just as usual, log into the page with your mail account and then wait for a few minutes until completes the login process. Here I'm using one of my personal mail. Yeah, now you're got into the page, start creating right now. Now I just uploading few of my pictures. Here there are three options: camera, upload, and image. And I choose one of the picture from my desktop, and I give the prompt there. Yeah, exactly. Next, done. Now, if all it's okay, you can also set the ratio for the picture, and you can choose in the landscape and portrait both ways. But it takes a paid version for a few features, and you get free trials for the day. And yeah, that's it. Generate. Wait for the few minutes until it's load all images, which is it's generating. Here the one of the style option there, right there you can change the effects like cinematic, like doll facing. That's how. So here our pictures were generated in a cinematic way, in a professional way, as per we are given in the prompt. See, that's how it builds everything. If you want to edit those, you can edit, and also we can keep in public or private. You can change the features whichever you like. And the dramatic cinema, the picture we had given in the style before, so that's how it came. There are a few canvas, you can use them. You have to export and the hand feature text, and you can add text to your image also, and images that you have to upload some other pictures. So that's how we have to do. That's it. It's very simple to use this app, and it takes nearly 600 or something for paid version and the basic version, and it really helps to generate the pictures you want. So you can download those already generated pictures on AI creations for free. If you want, you can download it. So that's all for this video.